This is going to be a video tutorial on how to uninstall software and apps in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To uninstall software and apps in Windows 11, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go to where it says Apps. Click on Apps. Then on the center pane, you want to go up to where it says Installed Apps. It says Uninstall and Manage Apps on your PC. Click on Installed Apps. Then you could either, it takes it a few seconds for it to populate here. You could either search for the app or software that you're looking for right up here. You could search for it, or these are in alphabetical order. You would just scroll down to where you see it. Say that I wanted to uninstall Google Analytics. I'll go off to the right side of it, to the three dots. Click on three dots. Then you'll go down to where it says Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. It asks me again, do I want to uninstall this app? I'm going to click on Uninstall again. It'll take it a few seconds. Now it is uninstalled. It is gone. That is how to uninstall apps and software on Windows 11.